Ready?
Good, it's about to fall on top of us.
See it. Guys, oh my gosh! What is this? Are we gonna fucking die? Look up at me, Melissa. Right there. Right here. Shane, what is that?
That's not the burn of the atmosphere, is what that is.
That's crazy. I've never seen anything like that in my life.
Oh my god. I gotta FaceTime one of my
That is
kids.
100% something burn up the atmosphere.
That's
Space-
wild,
space
man.
junk or something. That's the coolest shit I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
That's awesome,
Guys,
man.
look at the sky now! Guys, pictures of that. I'm getting lost. Someone's got to be down here to tell us what they'll look.
Flare coming back to the once again we are standing by for attempting to catch the booster at the tower. This would be the second tower catch.
Booster
Landing burn. Seeing 13 engines.
Booster now hovering as it aligns with the tower for catch.
Booster coming in. Get
Down
ready
to-
for that boom, Kate.
Down to 3 engines.
Booster landing burn shutdown. Megazilla has caught the booster.
You heard it here. Megazilla has caught the booster.
Once again, for the second time, a successful catch by the launch tower. This is the same tower, the launch pad, where that booster took off from just 7.5 minutes ago.